Hello. All right. What we have here is a control and two Dell Alienware x17 laptops built to my spec, roughly $4,300 a piece. This laptop right here is the second laptop that was replaced and built for me for the first one I purchased in May and received in early June. Same exact issue. Trash sound quality. So I called Dell and they shipped me this one. A brand new spec'd out computer, same exact model as this one. I got an hour and a half ago. And now this is the third laptop from Dell that are R17s and they have trash sound. The first Dell laptop had rattling noises coming from this side of the speaker. This Dell, which is the second replacement, Alienware R17, has trash sound coming from this side of the speaker. Now the third replacement that I got an hour and a half ago, and it is July 18th, 2022, trash sound from this speaker. Interestingly enough, this one, if you push on it slightly when it plays, that sound, that reverberation goes away. It did the same thing when the first one I shipped back. When you push on it here, it went away. This one, you can push on it, it doesn't go away. So just to make sure that we have a control, this is a 4 or 5 year old $4,000 laptop from Windows. It's a Surface. So I'll play it so we can hear the non-rattling noise. So I'll begin. Sounds okay, right? Now, the second laptop that replaced the first one with the same noise. And when we play, I'll go ahead and give this a push so you can hear it go away and come back. See how you push on it? It goes away and comes back. Absolute rattling. Absolute trash sound. Now, same song, same rattling, can't make it go away. Dell, Alienware. No one should be able to purchase a $4,300 gaming laptop and experience sound quality as trashy as this. This is the third exact replica of the laptop that you built for me. I waited several weeks for each of these to come. And your QA team passed it. How? It's trash. Help me out, Dell. Help me out.